Hello, and welcome to what we are now calling the Accepted Student Experience. My name's Dave Rogers, and I'm the president at SUNY Morrisville. I've been at the college over 20 years, the last 5 years as its president, and I'm pleased that you are expressing an interest in our campus. If you are watching this video, it means that you have applied to the college and you have been accepted, and you are giving, we hope, serious consideration to becoming a Mustang. When you come to Morrisville, the faculty and your peers will learn from each other in experiences that go well beyond the classroom. You will benefit from both the credentials and the experience of those faculty, as they will create learning environments that prepare you best for your years ahead. You can see from behind me the statue of the Mustang, and it not only represents our mascot for athletics, but it represents an important part of our history, an important part of who we are. In a very similar way, our students are like that. You come from incredibly diverse backgrounds, and you become part of a larger herd, and it's the strength of students from diverse backgrounds that makes the institution at Morrisville a strong academic experience. That kind of grit and determination, which is characteristic of a Mustang, is also characteristic of students that come here, study, and graduate. We're proud of the alumni, their experiences that they've had, and we hope that you will consider coming to Morrisville and joining our herd.